All right, y'all. I'm in my last pickup of the night. It's currently about, I think it's about 7 o'clock, something like that. I'm pretty pissed off though. I just picked up this enclosed and I'm already having problems with it. So if you guys been following my videos, you guys will know that I just bought this door. I just got this door replaced as well as a new ramp door in the back. However, now this door is broken already. I'm not even an hour away from home. And already this door won't close. So it looks like, I hate these trailers, yo. I really do. So I try to close it. See, the latch no longer lines up with where the lock is supposed to be with the trailer. Like it's this right here should be down here, but it's already broken. So it looks like the frame of the door has shifted. And I'm tired of fighting with it, yo. So for the two doors, for the side door and the ramp door, we paid about $1,200. And then I paid about an extra $600 to have it shipped. And then we paid TWP Motorsports in Waldorf, Maryland, $1,300 to install the side door and the ramp door. And I'm not even an hour away from home, and the side door is already busted. I probably can bungee it closed as a temporary fix, but it's already going on 8 o'clock and I don't have any way to get any bungees. All right, y'all, let me know what you think. So, the company owes me a cell phone charger. I sacrificed one of my longer chargers to kind of tie this knot around the latch. And then I brought it down here to a D-ring just to keep the door closed. Doesn't seem to be moving at all when I put some pressure against it, but you know, the real test is going to be when the wind gets behind it. But this is just for now. This is not to really travel with. This is just to kind of get me back to the lot, just to get me home until we can figure out something else, a more permanent fix. But see what I came up with for now. All right, y'all, we're finally out of here. It's my last pickup for the night. It's a S560. Ooh, she clean, ain't she? All right, it's 8 o'clock. I am over my hours, technically. You know, I have done more than 11 hours today, obviously, because I started 11 o'clock yesterday, and I've been on the road since 11 o'clock yesterday. It's now 8 o'clock the next day, yo, and I'm about to hit the road again at 2 a.m. So this is severely illegal. I do not advise anybody doing it. Please do not drive fatigue, guys. I'm just trying to be very, very honest with you guys, man. I've made commitments, and I got to make good on them, so that's the hustle, yo. But in any case, let's get this bad boy loaded. I just got back to the yard. Just parked the truck and trailer. I'm in my 1500 right now. About to get my things out of the 3500 and get home, get my son ready for bed. I've had him out way too long today. I'm not the example. My videos are not a how-to video. These are simply just kind of day in my life videos, y'all. Please, please, please do not use me as an example. I'm not a role model. You know, follow the law. Get some rest, take care of your body. Don't do this shit. In any case, this is my last check-in for today. I will see you guys in about 4 hours. Peace.
My buddy can't keep his eyes open. He's so tired.
to the Carolinas safe and sound. That was not enclosed required. We just put it in the enclosed just because it's an S560, but they didn't actually request an enclosed. We switched out to the 3-car Kaufman because at the last minute we had another car booked with us, and that's gonna be this one here. So in order to accommodate late last night, before I got back on the road, Mike went to the yard and unhitched from the enclosed and hitched me up to the 3-car and loaded my 3 deliveries for me, so I can go home and get some sleep. In any case, Mary Kay Cadillac, and then of course the Hell Kizzy. It's only Wednesday, but I think this is gonna be my last load for the week. I'm at 1,000 for this. So I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm roughly about 250 miles away from home. This Mercedes right here is 350, 375, something like that. This Cadillac right here is about 300 or 350. I'll double check the end of the video for you guys. And then the Hellcat is 400. So 400, let's say 350, that's 750. And then let's say 400 for that one. Puts me at 1150 in deliveries today. So 1150 one way, and I'm only 250 miles away from home. So not bad, not bad, not bad. It's like more than $4 a mile collectively. Not too shabby. So this seems to be a popular question. A lot of people ask me, which is better? Do I prefer the gooseneck or the bumper pull trailers? And it's a really, really easy answer to this. The gooseneck trailers are far superior than a bumper pull. The goosenecks don't tug as much as the bumper pull does. Like, I get like a lot of this with the bumper pull style trailer. With the bumper pull, you get a lot of sway. You don't really you get little to no sway with a gooseneck. Also, the turning radius for a gooseneck trailer is a lot greater. It's kind of hard to jackknife a gooseneck, but with having a bumper pull style trailer, you can't make any tight turns. I mean, like none. You cannot make any hard turns. Everything has to be a wide curve. You cannot make any tight turns because the trailer will run into the bumper of your truck. Lastly, for the bumper pull style trailers, there's one other thing. Oh, with the gooseneck, when you're in tight places, you're able to kind of lock the trailer wheels in place. Like if you make a sharp turn with a gooseneck, the trailer wheels will stay in place while you readjust. That's extremely important or useful when you're like in tight cities, or you know, if you're in a tight area and you don't have a lot of room to maneuver. Being able to lock those wheels in place and kind of just swing the trailer around makes a huge difference. Whereas with the bumper pull, you cannot do that. So if you're turning with the bumper pull, the trailer is like turning like this too, like this. That's what the gooseneck does. But the trailer is like turning with you. You know, it's hard to do with my hand and I'm driving, but yeah. But simple answer: the gooseneck trailers are far more superior than a bumper pull style trailer. However, I bought bumper pull style trailers because I wanted to have a mix. Why? Because when we started the company, I still had a full-time job when we first started. And then when I decided to quit my job and Mike decided to quit his job, my thinking was that we should get some bumper pull style trailers just in case one of our trucks go down. We can go to Enterprise and rent a truck. And you guys got to be mindful that, you know, Enterprise you can get a truck with a fifth wheel or a gooseneck in it at Enterprise, but they're very, very scarce. You know, it's not likely. It's very, very difficult, or it's very, very unlikely that you're gonna be able to pull up to an Enterprise and walk out with a truck that has a gooseneck or a fifth wheel in the bed. However, it's 100% likely that you will be able to go to Enterprise and walk away with a truck that has the standard hitch that's on the ass of the truck. So that's why we decided to get bumper pull style trailers, just in case our trucks went down, the show doesn't have to stop. So that was our thinking behind it. I'm really, really happy that we did so. But the bumper pulls only being able to haul like 2 cars. Like some guys got 3 cars on a bumper pull. I don't suggest that. So having just the 2 cars on a bumper pull style trailer creates a limitation, man. I really feel like if you're gonna be a car hauler, you need to have at least a 3-car hauler or a 3-car hauler, like a 3-car wedge or flatbed, preferably a wedge, or a 3-car enclosed, like a 52-foot, a 48 to 52-foot enclosed. I'm going to know a real pet peeve of mine. So what a lot of transporters will do, they'll stack their cars on the trailer in order of delivery, right? That's cool sometimes. If you have like cars that are of even weight, you should like stack them in the order that you're going to deliver them. I agree with that. However, if you got like a Silverado 2500 and two smart cars, you should not, and you're going to deliver the Silverado last and the smart cars first, you should not put the Silverado at the nose of the trailer and have the 2 light cars in the back, right? How much sense does that make? Other thing is, if you do have 3 vehicles that's even in weight, like how my cars were today, you know, my Challenger, the Cadillac, and this Mercedes is pretty even, close in weight, so I can stack them however. But when I delivered the Challenger, I moved the Cadillac back, right? You guys see how that's now with the ass towards the rear of the trailer, and I kept the Mercedes here at the top. And I got like a nice little gap right there. I rebalanced my weight, right? Then when I deliver this Cadillac now, I'm going to move the Mercedes towards the rear of the trailer and kind of put it a little ahead of the trailer axles to rebalance my weight. I'm not going to leave the Mercedes here at the nose of the trailer asking for the trailer to tilt and flip over. I don't understand why, guys. I'm not gonna say I don't understand. I know why you guys do it. It's because you're lazy. You're just lazy, bro. Finally back home, back in the area. About to run out of the house right quick. I got my man's pulling up with his truck and trailer to pick up that that orange Hellcat that we grabbed yesterday. So just so you guys know, that's not a car that was brokered out to us. That was a private client. So I'm reaching out to one of my carriers to give us some assistance in getting that vehicle down to Naples, Florida. So let me run in here, do what I gotta do, and hurry up and get back to the lot. Delivery. Right. What kind of car you have?
It was 2016 Porsche.
Okay. Thank you for forever choosing the Marathon. 2016 Hellcat. Locked and loaded, headed to Naples, Florida. As you guys saw, the car is completely wrapped in a non-stick plastic protection. And then covered with a simple sole sheet from Target. Take that over the top. And she's good to go. Woo! Happy Thursday, guys. Just kind of getting my day started. Not really. I got up at like 4, if we want to be really real with it. But I got up at 4. I was headed to New Jersey to go pick up 3 vehicles I got coming out of Bordertown, New Jersey. Well, all around the Bordertown area. And they're paying roughly like $500 a car. They're going to head back down to Raleigh, North Carolina tomorrow. Well, it was supposed to be, but I'm about to delay that by a day. I got up this morning and in addition to it snowing, I really ain't have my head right to go tackle it. So we're going to put it off. But, here's my thing. If I choose to delay a job or something like that and put it off to the next day, the company can't be off for a day. You know, like my company was already budgeted for me to go to New Jersey. Therefore, I have to either save or make the equivalent of the money that I was supposed to today going to Jersey. So like the company can't really know the difference. Y'all follow me? So today, in addition to transporting cars, we're in the trash waste management business. And so I got my small truck out here right now. We're going to do a small pickup. I'm out here running that right now, getting caught up on trash business to supplement the fact that I did not go to Jersey today as planned. In addition to that, I got Polo out on the street picking up cars locally, you know, within an hour of home, and we're gonna run those extra cars down tomorrow. Well, him and Mike are. I'm not, but you know. Point being though, I feel like I'm talking too much. Point being, that if you're gonna, I ain't gonna say you're, because this is not a tutorial. I'm not the example. This is just what I do. This is a day in a life. Point being, if I'm gonna take a day off, I'm only calling an audible, right? I'm not like about to lay at home and get nothing done. So today, I was supposed to pick up those 3 cars for $500 each. Instead, I'm picking up this bulk. I'm doing some pass-through bulk loads. This load right here is about $350 plus tax. And then in addition to that, I got 2 or 3 other cars locally that I gotta pick up. That's gonna that I'm helping with other carriers. So I get a percentage of that. And then also, what else going on? Then I got Polo running the streets right now. And then I think that's it. So it'll make for a much shorter day than if I would've went to Jersey, but I'm actually gonna make more money today than it had I went to Jersey. But anyways, let me hurry up and get to the dump. Just pulled up to my mama's job. My mother works at the building we pull trash for. About to see if she's doing any work. My dearest. You gotta say something insightful for YouTube. Hey, Auntie. What's going on?
That wasn't in the back, was it? She said she's gonna pop. I'm gonna have a second load. That was true or not.
Why y'all like watching this nasty shit, man? Out here working. It's funky. Hold up.